Water's for. Children are fascinated by water and love to play with it. The poem lists the different uses of water and the fun of including in water games.
Water's for washing, drinking, making tea, cleaning the bath or scrubbing me, shining a car or rinsing a shirt, watering tomatoes, shifting the dirt. My mum says, water's for washing, drinking, making tea, cleaning the bath or scrubbing me, shining a car or rinsing a shirt, watering tomatoes, shifting the dirt. My mum says. But I say paddling in valleys or just in feet, puddles are good but seas are treat, squirting at brothers, splashing dad, soaking my sister to make her mad, mixing with mud to bake a pie, spraying the dog or catching a fly, bath or puddle, sleet or rain, let's all play a water game, a water game. But I say paddling in valleys or just in feet, puddles are good but seas are treat, squirting at brothers, splashing dad, soaking my sister to make her mad, mixing with mud to bake a pie, spraying the dog or catching a fly, bath or puddle, sleet or rain, let's all play a water game, a water game. Water's for washing, drinking, making tea, cleaning the bath or scrubbing me, shining a car or rinsing a shirt, watering tomatoes, shifting the dirt. My mum says. But I say paddling in valleys or just in feet, puddles are good but seas are treat, squirting at brothers, splashing dad, soaking my sister to make